Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share with you a useful and famous series in physiological. It is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. This series was created by Maslow in 1943. It helps us to understand what, what people really need in life and how we feel motivated. Maslow said that people have different levels of need. These needs are like steps on a ladder. We usually start from bottom and go up. There are five main levels. First is physiological needs, like food, water, air, and sleep. The second is safety needs, like health, job, money, and protection. The third is love and belonging, like friend, family, feeling included. Fourth is Eastern need, like respect, confidence, and feeling valued. The fifth is self-actualization, like being creative and follow your dream and becoming your best self. Later, Maslow added three more levels, like cognitive needs, learning, learning knowledge, and aesthetic needs, like beauty and arts, transcend these needs, like helping others and giving society. These new levels shows that people don't just want to live, they want to grow, learn, and help. Maslow said we need to meet basic needs first, then grow up. But in real life, it is not always true. Some people create art even when do not have enough food. Some fight for justice even if they are not safe. So the order is flexible. Different people have different priorities. Let's look at Google, a famous tech company. It applied Maslow's theory well. The Google company gave others the free food and the health service to meet physiological needs. The Google gave good salary and job safety to meet safety needs. The Google company gave friendly culture and teamwork to meet belonging needs. It gave award and priority to meet Eastern needs. It also gave 20% of time for innovation to meet self-actualization. In my personal experience, my first time at the university, I have no food. I have food, a room, and a scholarship, but my basic needs were met. I felt alone and not confident. I feel it is hard to make friends and did not want to speak in class. One day, I joined a study group. We studied together and talk a lot and help each other. Slowly, I started to feel belong. I felt respected. I got my confidence back. This showed me that emotional and Eastern needs are just as important as food or sleep. Why this series matters? It helps us to understand better. It shows that people truly need to feel happy or motivated. It helps scholarship, company, and family care for people fully. It reminds us to support the body, but also to remain our mind and heart. Maslow's theory is not perfect, but it gives us a clear and simple way to think about our motivation, whether it's helping someone feel safe or helping them to chase a dream. We can use the ideas to make the world better. Thank you for listening.